Hi, it's Renee. This is my stash busting card for this month, and I am using a discontinued pack of Picture My Life cards from Close to My Heart called Birthday Cheer. These cards are also known as pocket scrapbooking cards or Project Life cards. I picked 4 cards, one for a background, one that had the sentiment that I wanted, and then 2 for embellishments. So I did some fussy cutting on the present and a couple of the candles. On the background piece, it is a 4x6 piece of paper, so I needed to cut it down to 4 by 5.25. And then you can see here I'm like trying to see if I like the card in landscape or portrait better, trying to see how I want the layout to be, because I'm totally doing this on the fly, you guys, which is not something I normally do. So I decide that I'm going to leave it portrait. So I'm using some thin 3D tape on the present and on the sentiment to attach them to the card. Now you'll notice the first thing that I adhered down is the sentiment, and I had originally planned it in the middle. Then at the last second here, I decide that I'm going to put it to the top left corner. And then you'll see in a little bit, I decided I didn't like that. So I peel it off and put it back in the middle once I get the present on. The candles, I decided that I wanted them to be raised more than the present and the sentiment. So I used regular 3D tape to give them more height on the card. And also you can see once I get the candles onto the card, I kind of had changed the angles just a little bit here and there until I get it just the way that I want. And then as I was putting the card together, I thought, what else can I do on this card? And the candles, the little flames, didn't have any color in them, and the background of the candles was blue. So I immediately thought we need some shimmer brushes in here. So I grabbed my lemonade shimmer brush and brushed the tips of the candles just to kind of give it more of that flame look. And then I was thinking about the sentiment and how the font in there is kind of open. So I thought, well, I might as well just put some of that lemonade shimmer brush in there too. So I did, and did all the letters, just kind of a little bit of just where that's open on the sides of each letter. And then my card was done. And I definitely think I'm going to make more of these cards. That was really fun to just take a few pieces and fussy cut and just kind of totally on the fly creating a card. I hope that you like it, and I hope that you will grab a few of your Picture My Life cards and make a card and share it in my Because Cute Matters Facebook group and get your name in this month's drawing. Thanks!